Hello. Our today's topic for the discussion is alloys of aluminium and its industrial applications. Now, what is aluminium metal? It is white metal produced by electrical processes from the oxide alumina, which is prepared from a clay mineral called bauxite. It is a lightweight metal having specific gravity 2.7 and melting point 660 degrees centigrade. If we see the density of this aluminium metal is 2700. In its pure state, the metal would be weak and soft for most purposes. But when mixed with small amounts of other alloys, it becomes hard and rigid. So it may be blanked, formed, drawn, turned, cast, forged, and die cast. So here you can see from mining, then refining, smelting, and manufacturing of the aluminium. And it is also recycled from the scrap of aluminium. So this is a bauxite ore of the aluminum, and this is a final product as a aluminum metal, pure metal. Its good electrical conductivity is an important property, and it is widely used for overhead cables. The high resistance to corrosion and its non-toxicity makes it a useful metal for cooking utensils under ordinary conditions. It is extensively used in aircraft and automobile components where saving or weight is an advantage. Now let us see the aluminum alloys. The aluminum may be alloyed with one or more other elements, the copper, magnesium, manganese, silicon, and nickel. The addition of small quantities of alloying elements converts the soft and weak metal into set and strong metal while still remaining its lightweight. The main aluminum alloys are duralium, Y-alloy, manganium, and hendium. Duralium, it is an important and interesting wrought alloy. Its composition is as follows. Now in duralium, the copper is 3% to 4.5%. Manganese small amount 0.4% to 0.7%. Magnesium 0.4% to 0.7%, and rest is aluminium. The alloy possesses maximum strength after heat treatment and age hardening. It is widely used in rod conditions for forging, stamping, bars, sheets, tubes, and rivets. It can be worked in hot conditions at a temperature of 500 degrees centigrade. However, after forging and annealing, it can also be cold worked. Due to its high strength and light weight, this alloy may be used in automobile and aircraft components. So in aircraft, the most of the component is manufactured by duralium because for plane we required a lighter weight material. Okay, so it is suitable for that. Now, why alloy? It is also called copper aluminium alloy. The addition of copper to pure aluminium increases its strength and machinability. The composition of these alloy is as follows: copper 3.5% to 4.5%, manganese 1.2% to 1.7%, nickel 1.8% to 2.3%, silicon, magnesium, iron 0.6% each, and the rest is aluminum. These alloys is heat treated and age hardened like duralium. The aging process is carried out at room temperature for about 5 days. It is mainly used for casting purposes, but it can also be used for forged components like duralium. Since Y alloys has better strength than duralium, it is also called duramin at high temperatures. Therefore, it is mainly used in aircraft engines for cylinder heads and piston. So these are the pistons which are used in IC engines, which are reciprocating, and the reciprocate motion or linear motion is converted into rotary motion. This is a body of the engine, okay, and this is an aircraft engine. So Y alloys are used for this type of components. Magnesium, it is made by melting the aluminum with 2% to 10% magnesium in a vacuum and then cooling it in a vacuum or under a pressure of 100 to 200 atmosphere. It also contains about 1.75% copper. Due to its lightweight and good mechanical properties, it is mainly used for aircraft and automobile components. So this is an example for manufacturing of bicycle, plane body, and components of other instruments. And last, Indolium. It is an alloy of aluminum and magnesium with a small quantity of chromium. It is the trade name of aluminum alloy produced by Hindustan Aluminium Corporation Limited, Ranakut, Uttar Pradesh. So this is a product which is first time manufactured by the Hindustan Aluminium Corporation Limited. So that's why it is known as Hindalium. It is produced as a rolled product in 16 gauge, mainly for anodized utensil manufacture. So these are the product of utensils. Thank you for watching this video.